how to install Google Tag on Shopify. So the first thing that you want to do is search for Google Tag Manager on Google. After that, create an account and select your country. Then enter your website URL. Over here, select the web as your target platform and click Create. After that, scroll down, accept everything, and click Yes to save your settings. Then copy the provided code and head back to your Shopify store. Go to the theme editor and click on the three dots to edit the code. Now look for the theme liquid file and open it. Over here, paste the first code in the head section right after the meta section, then press enter and paste the code. After that, find the body tag using Ctrl+F. Once located, paste the second code right after the opening body tag. Then save the changes, exit the editor, and go back to Google Tag Manager. Click Submit. Add a description and click Publish. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.